Here are some features that you may want to consider.
Let's have a look at the comfy Rivet floral printed accent armchair. It's great for your reading room, the bedroom, study, or the living room.
Let's have a closer look at this product in closer detail.
In this video, I'll be providing more information, a closer detail of the high quality fabric, the vintage bronze metal rivets, the comfy cushion, and also where the legs are stored during assembly. This decorative floral armchair provides good back support and comfort while reading, having good conversation, or just watching TV. This studded accent chair will definitely brighten up your space. The fabric is comfortable and smooth to the touch, and the foam is actually comfortable, made of high resilient sponge with support, and is not easily deformed even if you sit in it for a long time. Don't forget, later in this video, I'll be showing you where the legs are hidden and stored during assembly. Here's where the legs are hidden at the base of the chair for assembly. The legs and frame are made with high quality birch wood.
If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.